Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing well. So I started a YouTube channel which went from 0 to 100 million views and from 0 to 250,000 subscribers in just a single month. I'm gonna show you exactly how I did it in this video. So now this video is going to be divided in 10 segments. Number 1, how to find the niche. Number 2, how to find the video title. Number 3, how to find the thumbnail. And number 4, how to create the video. After that, number 5, how to upload the video correctly. Number 6, the timing for which the video is going to be uploaded. Number 7, the SEO of the video. Number 8, how the video went viral. Number 9, how I monetized the channel. And number 10, how I started getting the money from that channel. So first of all, how I found the niche. I was really interested in financial niche because they pays of the most amount of money. But the thing is, this time my main goal was to get more amount of views and subscribers rather than getting more money. So what I did instead is I focused on child entertainment channels because those kind of channels give you the most amount of views. And to be very specific, I created a kind of hybrid channel which gives education as well as entertainment to kids. And this channel was one of the best ideas I've ever created. So now let's get to how I found the video idea and title. Now this is a really important thing. So I went on to YouTube and saw all of the trending videos. From those trending videos, I was able to find some of the videos which were getting the most amount of views. So I combined all those videos and tried creating a video which can get the most amount of views and most amount of subscribers in the least amount of time. So I always try to create the thumbnail first and then the video. The reason for this is thumbnail gives you the idea of the video. So I just went onto Photoshop and tried to throw everything at it. And then I tried creating a colorful and kind of saturated thumbnail, and children tend to click on the video which has the most colorful thumbnail. That is the reason I chose this strategy. Now for creating the video, what I did is I kind of hired a team to create that video because I didn't had a lot of time to create it myself. The video was based on 3D animation, so I hired a whole 3D animated team and then I asked them to create a video out of it. And the video they created was really good, but my team did a mistake and they used the copyrighted music. Which created the most amount of trouble when monetizing the channel. Well, I'll try to get to it later, but right now I wanted to tell you that don't ever use the copyrighted music. Always use a unique or copyright free music, and I recommend using music from either Epidemic Sound. The link to Epidemic Sound is given in the description below, or either using the music from the YouTube audio library which gives you free copyrighted music. Then I went over to uploading the video. And to upload the video, I had to make sure that I'm using all kind of good SEO tactics and all kind of good metadata. And for that purpose, I just went over to my channel and all of the other videos and I tried to find their aesthetics, and I found that most amount of views were from early morning. So I uploaded the video 2 to 3 hours before morning in United States time. For the SEO, what I did is I created a unique title which had all of the keywords that other videos were using. So with all of those keywords, my video really went viral. And for the description, I used the same tactic. I used all of those keywords in the description as well, and same for the tags. So you just have to focus a lot on keywords and stuff because keywords are something that can make your video go viral, especially in YouTube search. So let's get back to timing. Now timing is something that plays an important role in making your video go viral, so you gotta choose a good timing to upload your video. So in my case, I uploaded 3 hours before the morning time in USA, and this timing really helped my video go viral. So now when everything was ready and my video was uploaded, I didn't even get a single view for 3 days. But on the 4th day, my video got some views, and on the 5th day, it got even more views. And within a single week, my video was gone viral and I was getting around 3.5 million views every single day. So after around 30 days, I got around 100 million views and also got 250,000 subscribers and also got my silver play button within 3 months. In the final step, I tried to monetize my YouTube channel, but here comes the most amount of problems. What happened is my team used a copyrighted music and it really ruined my whole video. I got a copyright claim and I wasn't really able to monetize my YouTube channel. So I deleted that video and I got my channel monetized. I was able to earn a few $1,000s in the first few weeks, but later my channel views started to go down and down and down, and then my YouTube channel income also went down. That is the reason right now I'm not earning anything from that channel. But in the few weeks, I earned a few $1,000s and it kind of paid off all the hard work. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. But if you guys are trying to create a YouTube channel, trust me, this is going to be the best decision you have ever made. But make sure you're not uploading something very saturated, but instead try to come up with a unique idea and think out of the box, and one day you will be able to get your video to 100 million views as well. So I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.